Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to discuss about how you can start the web development learning. So I will suggest you some top resources for the learning. So let's get started. So guys, this is my newsletter. So if you wanted to subscribe my newsletter, here you can click on you can search this URL avprinter.substack.com. I will mention it in the your YouTube description, and then you can subscribe it there. So let's move further. All right, so guys, I have gathered some best career options. So first of all, we talk about the web development. So there is a web developer, programmer, front end, back end, full stack. So these four to five terminology. What is this? I will explain it, and I will also explain the rest of that. So guys, web developer. So basically, the person who work on the website, it's called the web developer. But the person who work on the web application, so just the same like the Amazon. Amazon is a web application. If the person is working on the web application, then it's called the web app developer. Okay, and if someone is working on the website, then it's called the web developer. So similar programmer. So what is programmer? So programmers work is to just to write the code. They don't have to do the designing and all the stuff. They just have to solve the puzzles and all that. They just have to do programming. So programming is basically whatever the language you choose, you just have to do the programming in that. So guys, there are mainly three type of developer in the industry, in the IT industry. So front end developer. So guys, here you can see that it's a front end developer, back end developer, and full stack developer. So what is front end developer? So guys, let me show you the example first. So guys, what front end developer do is here you can see all the site, right? So here you will see the items and all that. You will see the discount, this attractive banner, this attractive menu here. So when you click on this menu will open. Here you can see your cart. Here you can see your order. Here you can sign up. So guys, what front end developer do is build the main website's design. Okay, so work of the front end developer is to build up the design of the website which you can see. So whatever we can see, it's called the front end development. What is back end development? So here it is mentioned that back end development. So guys, what is back end development? So back end development is when you sign up. So here sign up button is given. So if you register yourself here on the Amazon, then that data will be saved in the Amazon's database, so that you can't see that where the data is saving when you order some item. So if you order any product, so where their data is processing, so it all happens in the back end. So back end means that things will work in the back. So you will not able to see what things are going on, what process is going on. You just able to see the result. So whatever you can't see, those things which are working with the database in the backend is called the backend. So if you wanted to become the backend developer, then you have to study the backend technology. So what is now full stack? So if you know the front end, so if you know how to design site like this, how to give all these hover effect, how to create this sign in button, sign in page, how to create this return page, how to create this card page. So if you know all this stuff, then you know also the front end, and if you also know how to save the data of the person into the back end, how to work the payment page. So it's called the back end. So if you know the front end, back end both, then you are a full stack developer. So, and the full stack developers demand is very high into the industry currently. So guys, that's what about the full stack development. So just to understand that there is a front end developer, back end developer, and full stack developer. So if you are a full stack developer, then you will be told as a you are a software developer. So these are just different terminologies used in the different company. So some companies there is position given to you as a front end developer or full stack developer, and in some companies you are told that you are a software engineer, you are a software developer. So it's depend on the company which terminology they use. These are all the same thing. So guys, here there are other option which is not related to the web development, but you can pursue your career into that if you are interested. You can search out by yourself: data scientist, data analyst, business analyst. SAP is a very famous software which are used in the various industries, very in high demand. So AWS is a very in high demand. It's a Amazon Web Services. So if you learn this, then you will be get hired in the startup. Now no code. So what is no code? No code is a tool in which you don't have to write any code. If you have to build any website or any application, you don't have to write any code. You just have you will have their various tools. In by that you can build a website or application. So it's called the no code. So now SaaS is a very advanced thing. It's a software as a service. If you wanted to build your own agency, or if you wanted to build your own startup or your own product, then you can. It's called the SaaS, software as a service, entrepreneurship and startup. So if you wanted to build your own startup, if you have the capital and money, so guys, if you have the money, then you can build your own startup. So now let's talk about the which are the best platform where you can learn the web development. So guys, Udemy, LinkedIn Learning, and Coursera. So guys, first of all, we will talk about the Coursera because Coursera is the highest rated platform, and Coursera's credential is very high. If you learn from the Coursera, if you do the good course from the Coursera, their courses are very valid, and if you got certified from the Coursera, then you can show anywhere. For example, let's say if you apply for the US UK company, and they will ask you that do you have any certificate relevant to the industry whatever you have learned, then you can tell them that yes, I have studied from the Coursera and I have that certificate. Then you can show them. And because Coursera certificate are very valid and very much high credential, so guys, I will prefer the Coursera for the learning. Now the come to the Udemy. Udemy is a very popular platform where you can find lots of courses. And because Udemy is a very popular because they keep updating their courses. There are lots of new people adding their courses, and their courses fees are very low. So around 500 you can buy a course. You can purchase one course around 500 rupees. So myself, I have purchased until now 9 to 10 courses. So nearly I have invested 6 to 7 thousand rupees into the Coursera for learning. Now come to the LinkedIn Learning. So LinkedIn Learning is a free platform where you can learn. You just have to sign up on this website and you can learn by the free. And there are few courses which ask you for the subscription. So if you can purchase that subscription, then you can learn from there. But guys, these are the all the platform. I am just suggesting you that here you can learn from. I am not giving the roadmap currently. I am just putting the platform where you can learn from. So guys, must aware of that. I am not currently giving you the that here you will start. I am just putting you the top resources. So guys, From this all top resources, I will prefer the Coursera for you. Now come to the here is your master advice. Tip of the day: don't think much about what can happen in a month or a year. Just focus on the 24 hours that's in front of you, and do whatever you can to get closer to where you want to be. So guys, if you have decided to learn the front end development or back end development or full stack development, then guys, there is no point of wasting your time. If you just can take out the time in a day, just half hour, just 1 hour, or just 2 hour. So let's say minimum you can take out the time for yourself, just 30 minutes. So if you learn every day for the 30 minutes, then you will learn a lot. You just require daily 1 to 2 hours for learning. So if you constantly for the 6 to 7 months you give your daily 1 to 2 hours, then you can learn the web development. So now come to the point. So many of you have the question that, am I can I learn the web development? What it is required? Am I capable of learning or not? So guys, to learn the web development, you just have basic English knowledge. If you can read the English, so for example, whatever here written, able to understand English properly and write English properly. So if you learn earlier, if you awake earlier, if you willing to work earlier, then the world is yours. So guys, if you can read this English and if you can understand this English, then you can become the web developer, right? You just have laptop and Wi-Fi. So if you have the internet connection, laptop or PC, okay. If you have your own computer or laptop, or if you have the internet connection and if you can understand the English, basic English, then you can become the web developer. Okay, so there is no fancy things required. You just have the laptop, minimum 4 GB is required. Okay, so you just have to have minimum required that you just have a 4 to 8 GB of RAM in your laptop and 500 GB of hard disk. And guys, who can become the developer? So guys, if you are someone who is studying in the 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th class, or if you are someone graduating, or if you are someone who is already graduated and wanted to shift their career into the software development, so if you are someone who wanted to learn the web development, then you should learn from me. I will suggest all the resources. Okay, so now let's get started. So now we will come to the point that you wanted to start the web development. So where you can start. So today I will not going to refer these top resources because I will going to suggest you something else. All right. So just search this free code, free code camp. So guys, what is Free Code Camp? Free Code Camp is a non-profit organization that consists of interactive learning web platform. So guys, it's a free of cost, and this is a top rated platform where you can learn the web development. So I myself, I have started from learning these resources. Here you can sign in or sign up. If you are new to this, get started, it's free. So guys, here you have to mention your email address and then you can sign up. So let's we will mention our email address. So here is our sign in code. So now you can submit the code and your account will be created. What's the issue happen? Okay, I need to enter once again. I just hold on. 765624. So now I can submit this code. Success, you have signed into your account. Happy coding. So guys, once you sign up for the free code camp, then you can go to your account. Okay. So now new responsive web design certificate. So guys, here all the things which you wanted to learn will be listed here. So responsive web design certification, JavaScript algorithm and data structure certification, front end development libraries certification, data visualization, relational database certification, backend development with API certification, data analysis and Python. So you remember I told about your data analysis. So here, where is it? Data science and data analyst. So data analysis with Python and certification, scientific computing with Python certification, information security certification, machine learning with the Python certification. So it's all part of the AI and machine learning. So we will not talk about that. We will talk about the web development. So when you click on this responsive web design certification, and you just have to click key start project, start coding. So what is given here? I will solve the first exercise for you, that it will become easier for you. So HTML body step 1, HTML element have opening text h1 and closing tag like this. So guys, this is opening tag, this is closing tag. So it's a syntax, it's kind of a format, okay? So you don't have to confuse here, it's just a syntax, it's a format. So h1, the text for an element goes between its opening and closing text. Find the h1 element and change it next to the cat photo app. So you have to write your code here. So you have to change to this cat photo app. So you have to write this cat photo, cat photo app. So it's changed to this. Now you have to check your code. Congratulations, you code passes. Submit your code to continue. Submit and go to the next challenges. Alright, so it's a step 2. Below the h1 element, add an h2 element with the text. So guys, it's h1 element. Here you have to add the h2. What you have to write? Get photos. Get photos. Check your code. Congratulations, your code passes. Submit your code to the continue. So guys, these are all the basics exercise you will code here, and here already instruction is given to you. Whatever the instruction is given to you, read them, and if you don't able to understand, then you can ask for the help. All right. So where you can ask for the help, free code can have their own YouTube channel. So you can search that in the Google at YouTube, free code camp. And guys, I myself started from the free code camp. I've taken the free code camp certification, responsive design certification. It was my first course, so I have started learning from that, and I have completed in a 1 month. That course is around 300 hours, so I have take 1 month to complete that course, responsive web design certification. So guys, here you have lots of different videos, so I will suggest you first thing, playlist videos. Okay. Hey guys, sorry, I have mistaken. There is a other YouTube channel who is teaching about the so class central. So you can subscribe to the this channel, because this channel will cover all the course which are in the free code camp. So let's click on the playlist. So free web dev bootcamp, free JS bootcamp, free web dev bootcamp. So currently there is one bootcamp going on in which they take daily classes. So they take daily classes at 12 p.m., in which they teach whatever the exercise is here on the in this website free bootcamp. So guys, that's it. You can learn, you can first sign up for this website free code camp, and then you can attend the class centrals classes daily. They just take 1 hour, so you can learn from their class centrals this boot camp. You just have to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon, so you can learn from there. So this was my first suggestion for you. If you are completely beginner, you don't know anything about the web development, then you can start here. And this is also not only for the beginners. If you are intermediate or you just wanted to brush up your knowledge, then you have to you can learn from here by practicing. So guys, if any of you wanted to test your JavaScript knowledge, data structure certification knowledge, then you can uh, what you can do is solve the exercise and test your knowledge that how much you know, and you can get the certification from here. And guys, certification from the free code camp is valid for the very big companies. Recently I have given interview in the one company, and they asked that, do you have the certificate for the JavaScript and algorithm? Then I said no, currently I don't have. Then I started learning the JavaScript. I solved all the exercise and I get the certificate. And so that's it guys, you can learn from here. So this is my first suggestion, then you can start from here. So free code camp is the best to start your web development journey. The other YouTube channel and all that I will suggest in the next resources. Until that, drop your suggestion, drop your comment, what you like in this video, what you don't like. If you have any question, just ask me. So guys, in this first of all, if you start with this certification, this will teach you the HTML first. So let's get back to our newsletter. So this is very funny tweet, guys. Roadmap to become web developer in 1 day. In 1 day, you can't become the web developer, but it's just a funny tweet. So first language is HTML, second is CSS, third is JavaScript. So these three languages used for the front end development. So if you wanted to become the front end developer, you wanted to work on the web application. So and you wanted to work on the website, you wanted to build your own website. So guys, you can become the front end developer. So guys, I will talk about myself. I am interested more in the front end developer, but I also have the knowledge for the back end technology. So currently I am a full stack developer. So but I am mostly interested in the front end development part, and I am mostly work on the front end part. So guys, it's your choice, whatever you like. If you wanted to completely learn the back end development, then I will say don't waste your time in the front end. Just start learning the back end. So I will suggest the top resources for the back end in the next video. Until then, goodbye. Take care of yourself and work on yourself, and just keep doing good work, and like, share, subscribe, and share with those people who need this channel. Alright guys, see you then in the next video. Bye.